Something in that front road or a brake. Oh. Holy shit, dudes. See how flat we are, guys. Still can't get right left on this thing. Oh, wheelie madness, I'm coming. Hello. Hi, guys. How are you? I'm okay. I don't mean you no harm. 6 months a year, you might be on my dinner plate, but it's all love right now, guys. Shoot. Except you 21 looking at me like that. That's what I thought. Pussy. That's what I say on the other side of the fence. Pretty beautiful. Dude, getting it. That's not right. Something in that front road or a brake. Oh. Holy shit, dudes. I almost launched the thing off the fucking hill. Well, holy moly. I just wrestled the Sur Ron for my life and its life. Holy shot of adrenaline. Well, guys, there is beginner mode. Turn that key off. Holy moly. Ah, so much fun. Holy shit. That was a no shit moment that just happened real quick, but I got over it real quick. Ay, ay, ay. Such a nice day, guys. So blessed to live here. My California dreams may be coming to an end, so I'm gonna take this all in